Hey, what's up guys, it's Jude back with another video. In this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of Decent hardware wallet. So let's get straight into the video. Also I want to thank Decent team for sending me this product out to review on our channel. So let's get straight into the video. So this is the box. I have already opened the box to check what's the content inside so I can make a review. So let's open this box out. And as you can see, this the first is get started guide that will help you to get started with this device and to pair with your mobile device. So there are the 4 steps. You can follow this if you don't have any information, or you can watch this video fully to understand how it works. So now as you can see, this the device itself is over here, and the device looks really premium, and the security is also premium. So let's keep it aside and check out what are the other contents given in the box. And here comes the user guide. You can read it, and it is also available in English language, so you can read and get through the device if you want more information. So let's keep it aside and check what are the other contents given. So and then comes the recovery card. You have to input 24 recovery seeds in this to protect your wallet. And the last is the charger. This is a normal 3.0 charger which can be used in your device and smartphone's adapter to charge this wallet. So now let's let's have a look on the wallet. So as you can see, the wallet looks really premium, and it has a matte finish on the back side, and on the top it has stainless steel security, that is premium security. And here is a charger from where you can plug in, and here is a power on button. If you want to power on, just long press on it and it will be starting. So as you can see, this when you long press on it, it shows a now intro, and now you have to select languages. There are 2 to 3 languages available. You can select. I will be selecting English, and to select this you have to click on the OK. There are 4 buttons available, and as you can see, this the wallet is really handy and fits in my hand itself, and very small and compact with premium security. So press on OK to select any language. So now it will be telling you two options, that is create your wallet or recover your wallet. So for the video purpose I will be creating a wallet. Click on OK, and then it will tell you to enter the pin, 4-digit pin. You have to add a secure pin so you can log in your wallet whenever if your fingerprint is not working or anything. For this video I will be adding 1 2 3 4. After adding, just click on OK, and now it will tell you to verify the pin. So just add the pin again and click on OK. So as you can see, this now it is telling you to enroll the fingerprint. So just tap on the fingerprint. Fingerprint is on the middle. So as you can see, this tap on it and release your finger, and just tap on it again for several times until you get 100%. So I'll be continuing this video after that. So now as you can see, this it is now processing our fingerprint, and now it will be telling you to verify the fingerprint. So just tap on it again and it will be verified, and a notice will be shown that your device is secured, and the warning will also be and here you can see the warning that says that make sure to write all the seeds down in the recovery seed card so that you can recover your wallet again. So now as you can see, there is a list of words given. So I will be back after writing all the down. Now I successfully copied all the seeds down in the recovery seed card, and it will be telling you that if you have not written the codes correctly, then be sure to go and write it down again. And now it will be telling you to enter the specified word, that is number. In my case it is telling me to enter the 11th word. So in my case I will be entering the first 3 alphabetic orders of the word, and it will be telling me to choose from the available option. So I will be writing it down. So now I have successfully verified my all the keys, and it is telling me congratulations, you have verified all the keys and your wallet is ready to use. So as you can see, there are lots and lots of wallet available. Example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monacoin, RSK, ERC20 tokens also are available. You can add different coins using your smartphone app. The Decent app is also available on both Android as well as iOS app. You can download this app, and here is the device info. You can get it from the setting tabs. And now let's check how the app is connected to the Decent hardware wallet. Go to the setting and click on Bluetooth, and it will be telling you to connect. Click on OK, and now as you can see, this the pairing key will be available. Open the Bluetooth setting on your Android device just like this. After opening, try to find the device available nearby you. As you can see that I have already got the Decent Bluetooth available. Just click on it and it will be telling you to enter the pairing key. The pairing key will be shown in the hardware wallet. So as you can see, after entering, click on OK, and the wallet will be connected. And as you can see, this light has also stopped being blinking. Now go to back to the Decent app. And as you can see, this the wallet is connected. It is showing the wallet is also synchronized. And now to add different cryptocurrency, just go to the my option, my Decent option, and now click on add new label and select the coin you want to add and give it a label. In example, I'll be giving one. And now the data will be transmitted and synchronized from hardware wallet to your smartphone. Let's wait till it get completed. As you can see, this the transfer is completed and the wallet address is successfully added on both the device. Let's check if the receiving address is available or not, and it is processing. And as you can see, that the wallet address is available, and let's cross check if it is same on both the smartphone as well as hardware wallet or not. And it is successfully synchronized, and also the both the address are same. And if you want to show the QR code on your hardware wallet, just click on the QR code option, click on OK to show QR code. It will help you to show the QR code and receive directly payment from the wallet, hardware wallet itself. So that is also new, that is also a plus point. And as you can see, these lots and lots of currencies are available. ERC20 tokens are also available. Just add the token contract address and you can add successfully your every ERC20 tokens in the hardware wallet. So that was the quick unboxing and how to set up video for Decent hardware wallet. So if you are interested in buying this wallet, I will be giving a link down in the description to download. This is a really handy and comfortable to use hardware wallet. Just one tap and the fingerprint will be unlocked. And let's try to add wrong fingerprint. So as you can see, that it is not working if you add wrong fingerprint. But after using the original finger, just one tap and the wallet will be unlocked. And now you can long press again to switch off the wallet, and long press again to turn on the wallet. Also, if your fingerprint is not working, then you can add the pin too. So don't worry about if there is any problem with your finger. That was the video, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe and check out this. And if you are buying this, let me know in the comment and what are the security features that you like from this wallet. Thank you for watching.